son with you. Hurry, hurry.
I got him.
Puppy. Hello, puppy.
We're calling you puppy because we don't have a name for you yet.
Do you want to play Tug of Wars? Tug of Wars, Sonny loves Tug of Wars. Oh!
Baby, be very careful. Watch your balance.
I know you.
See, I'm going to attack you, Mama.
Attack me. Oh, boss.
Maybe something about his personality will come out and
He likes that little toy.
maybe we'll get a name that way.
Look at him. Look at him. He's so cute. Oh my goodness.
What's his name?
Huh? He's like, I didn't like that hole. Oh.
How do you think he's going to act this suddenly? Was there other dogs there?
Oh, tons.
So he's used to other dogs.
Look at it. Look at it.
So where'd it go?
Here it go. Oh, that's my finger.
Puppy teeth?
Yeah. I love him already. Mommy again. He loves me. You want to meet your big brother? You want to meet your big brother? Yeah.
I'll go get him. Was it? Oh, that means it's recording.